Hey, how's it going? Keith Townsend, principal of the CTO Advisor. Welcome to another episode of AWS Every Day. We take a look at an AWS service, a new AWS service every day. Today, we're taking a look at Green Grass. We're wrapping up this conversation around IoT. The grass is not always greener on the other side. What happens when OT and IT collide? Not necessarily the individual departments, but the capabilities. In IT, we've long dealt with this challenge of managing edge devices, the desktop, mobile devices. We can have thousands or tens of thousands of devices we have to manage, control for virus protection, compute updates, firmware updates, etc. Well, when we think about the edge or IoT edge, we have similar challenges, but with much less capable devices. These small ARM-based devices or proprietary software or systems running on devices makes it really hard to do command and control. How do we update the software running on a IoT device managing a plant's health? Earlier in the year, we talked to a company that is basically Nature Farm, that's basically going out and creating a greenhouse, 200 acres, tens of thousands of IoT devices, low power, and they have to do command and control to get that 25 gigs of data or a subset of the 25 gigs of data per plant up to some type of central processing. How do we do the networking? How do we do the firmware updates? How do we make sure we do analysis at the edge that needs to stay at the edge so the decisions are made there at the edge? Green Grass is that solution. It brings kind of these practices that we're well aware of in IT to OT, operational technology, from everywhere from secrets management to installing hubs so that we can collect data from offline or partially connected devices, to doing processing at that hub to upload it to preferably AWS, and then do processing within the cloud or around your data analytics and ML AI. Greengrass in a nutshell. That wraps up our coverage of the IoT solutions, unless AWS introduces yet another IoT solution before our 238-day review of each AWS service. You want to learn more about the CTO Advisor? You can follow me on the web, thectoadvisor.com. At CTO Advisor is the Twitter handle. DMs are open. I really appreciate all of the feedback we've been getting about this series and the quick update from the newsletter. Again, talk to you next. AWS every day.